Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 8 Royal Mews 20 Catherine Street. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom upper apartment situated in this period property behind me just here. But what's great is because you are the upper apartment, you have got stunning views from your property while being situated in the heart of Cupar, so walking distance to all of your local amenities, plus great commuting links also. So I'm going to take you on the tour, show you everything that you're getting with this property, and don't forget you need to keep listening until the end for how to get further detail. So this is the entrance to your property. So this is Royal Mews 20 Catherine Street. So as you can see, we're situated in a period property, so it's got beautiful character. So that is the entrance, and what's great is your property is these top windows here and along that side, so you have views right across to the park. But this is the entrance to your property, so I'm going to meet you upstairs and we will start the tour. So this is the entrance to your property, number 8. So don't forget, upper apartment. Now you come into your entrance hallway, but we're actually going to start with the living room because you're going to be so surprised at just how generously sized this living room is. Not only is it really bright, but you've got high ceilings, which really adds to that light and airy feel. But look how spoilt you are with just how big this living room is. So not only do you get all your living room furniture in here, plus all of this floor space, you can also fit a dining table also, which is just brilliant. Or even you could put something in either of the corners and have a kind of working from home setup and space. But now, as I mentioned downstairs, you get views from this property. Because we are on the upper apartment, you actually have views right across the park and to the War Memorial as well. And then you can go for walks along River Eden, but that is the view from your living room space. So you can just imagine a kind of some cushions there, making a window bench just to kind of be nosy and watch the world go by. But this is your living room. Isn't that just brilliant? Really, really spacious. But then you actually come through into your breakfasting kitchen. So again, a great size, plenty of worktop and cabinet space for you. Again, you could make almost a little window bench there. But you've got a breakfasting area just here, which is perfect. And you've got ample cabinet and worktop space. So you have your integrated oven and hob. And then you have further cabinet and worktop space on this wall as well. And then ample space for your freestanding white good appliances. So as you can see, it's moving condition, contemporary as well. That is just your kitchen. Then we will start our way along the hallway. Now don't forget, I did actually say 2 bathrooms with this property. The first one, again, you should expect it by now, but spacious, really spacious bathroom. So currently it is a 3-piece, so you have your wash hand basin, bath and WC. But there is so much potential with this bathroom. Obviously, if you wanted to put in a new bathroom, you've got ample space. You could have a big freestanding bath. You could do a big enclosed walk-in shower. You've got so much space with this bathroom. You could almost even have it as a dressing area as well. Get a nice vanity unit and a dressing table in there. So much potential with that bathroom because it's such a great size. What's brilliant as well with this property is the storage. So you have a storage cupboard on your right, and then an additional storage cupboard as well. So you have 2 storage cupboards in your hallway. Then we'll come into your master bedroom. So this brings you into your master. Again, you can see just how bright it is. Fantastic space. You've got a big bed there, and again, you've got ample floor space. Lovely and bright as well. Again, because of the high ceilings, adds to that really light and airy feel. This is all of your master, and again you have views across to the park and the War Memorial. And then additional storage with your fitted wardrobes. You've got all that fitted wardrobe space just there. And your second bathroom with the property comes off of your bedroom just here, sorry. So this takes you through into your ensuite, which has an enclosed shower, wash hand basin and WC. So it's really practical having this off your main bedroom. And then we come through into your second bedroom. Brilliant size yet again. Lovely and bright. What's great is yes, it's lovely and bright. You've got that big window, but also you're not overlooked either, making it lovely and private. So that is your second bedroom. And that takes us back down our hallway, back to your living room space, which is exactly where I want to do the recap for you. And just for reference, if you are needing to commute from this location, head out in that direction to St Andrews, really close proximity, just a short drive. Coming out, you can head around that corner just there. That takes you round to the train station, so minutes walk and you're round to the train station for commuting. And as well, you can head up this direction and you get to the high street and the Bonnygate with all your amenities, doctors, dentists, shops, cafes, so everything there. So everything is on your doorstep with this property. So let's do a recap of number 8. So that was the personal property tour for 8 Royal Mews, 20 Catherine Street in Cupar. This is a fantastic opportunity if you are a first-time buyer, investor, landlord, looking to move to the area perhaps, upsizing, downsizing. This one really is not to be missed because you are spoilt with just how much space you are getting. It's a lovely, spacious and bright 2-bedroom upper apartment, plus what you weren't expecting is that additional bathroom as well. So not only are you getting generous sized bedrooms and this large open plan living diner and your breakfast in kitchen, you're getting that additional bathroom as well. So it really is a spacious property situated within a period building, while also benefiting, because we are on the upper level, you have elevated views from your windows across the park and the War Memorial. So it's a really central location because you are just walking distance to all of your amenities on the Bonnygate, the high street, round to the retail park. Great for commuting as well because you are close proximity to St Andrews. Also just a short walk round to the train station for getting to Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. As well, you have the bus routes connecting you all across Fife. So great location and a real fantastic opportunity to get this really spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom upper apartment. If you want to get further details, you can either click the link, message me directly, or feel free to call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties. Take care.